It's a certified 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Welcome to a ride that is as spectacular as the scenery. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, configurable instrument gauges, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming mirrors, and V6 engine. The Car Connection highlights the 8-speed automatic transmission that boosts mileage in all powertrains. Experience the Jeep life. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.